I want to discuss a few features of the hatching command. As you can see on this building, I've already hatched it with some bricks. The problem is it starts with a half row of bricks and it ends with a less than half row of bricks. What I really want is for the first brick to start at the lower left corner of this building. So let's first figure out why AutoCAD does it this way. And what is actually happening is the very first brick starts at 0, 0. So here where X and Y meet, there's the origin of the drawing. That's where the first brick meets. So I'm going to undo to get me back to where I was. And I want to adjust the origin. So I'm going to click on my hatch. And here's the Set Origin section. I'm going to click the drop down and choose the first one here, which will automatically pick the bottom left of this shape as the origin. Escape to deselect, and you can now see that I get a nice, neat row of bricks to begin with. And it ends that way as well up on top. The next thing I want to look at is what if I'm hatching and I want to match another hatch pattern. So I'm going to start with the hatch command. And I would like to hatch this shape the same as it's hatched over here, but I'm not exactly sure what pattern that is, what scale it is, etc. So what I can do is I can hit Match Properties, click the hatch pattern I would like to match. Now I can click inside the region that I wish to hatch. Press Enter, and you can see that it also kept the property of the lower left corner beginning with the hatch. The last thing I want to do is bring in a shaded pattern. So I'll just simply grab one of these and drop it in. And what I want to point out is you can do both a shaded pattern and a pattern itself, but whatever you do last is what's on top. So the shaded pattern is on top. I would like it to go behind the other shape. So I'm going to select it. Back here on the Home tab, I'm going to go to Modify, Draw Order, and Send to Back. And then now puts it behind the bricks. So now you can see it's possible to have both a pattern and a color at the same time.